Ready, set, hike! Hello everyone, it's HHM TV. We're in Ada, Ohio, and you're not gonna wanna miss what we have to show you today.
Hot route! Let's go!
Guys, awesome place, right?
Phenomenal time.
Yeah, I think if you're interested in how things are made, this is worth getting a group of folks. You can call on Monday through Friday, schedule a tour. It's not that far from your neck of the woods, and just fascinating, the technology behind all of it.
Yeah,
It's unbelievable how many steps there are into making a football. It's really a science.
It really is. It really is.
About 22 steps to make one of these footballs. We have been blessed with getting the HHM TV logoed Super Bowl ball, so we want to thank the folks at Wilson for hooking us up on that front. And can't recommend this tour enough. If you're in the neighborhood, make the trip. It's well worth it. Great people here that take a lot of pride in making this equipment. You're not going to want to miss it.